Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we just felt like eating something simple.
Yeah, man.
My husband has a burger and a chicken sandwich, and I have 2 chicken sandwiches because you guys know something on your burger.
Should I eat burger? But I do.
But you do. And then we have some fries.
French fries.
Honey, you would think we'll be tired of fries since the 400 fry challenge.
No, the fries you make me yum.
If you guys haven't seen that challenge, I'm gonna link it in the description or link it above so you guys can check it out after you watch this video. And listen, before we get any further, let me show you guys my outfit of the day.
Show them, man.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. This look good, girl.
Oh my gosh. So I have a ginger ale to drink.
Yeah.
And then we do have some Chick-fil-A sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, my husband likes to put his sauce on his sandwich. I like to sometimes dip it in,
True.
but I'm ready to go. It kind of reminds me of the
what you call it? Chicken spice.
Chick-fil-A,
But
spicy Chick-fil-A.
This is wickeder than Chick-fil-A sandwich
Come on.
right now.
Yo.
Rich filet.
Look, rich filet.
Yeah, man. Rich filet. RFC.
Filet.
Rich filet that.
And you see the bread is
Yeah.
so soft. All right, we're gonna dig in as we
Mix
are
up, mix up.
hungry.
You know that?
But yeah, honey.
I can start eat.
No,
What do you mean by no? Yeah, what? But I mean in the car right now. Cause I'm hungry in the car. I'm mad. We're up on the road now.
you always hungry, honey.
It doesn't matter. We've been on the road from morning.
Well, you're gonna eat, but I have a proposal.
Oh shit.
I have a gift for you.
You get the stimulus check?
What? No, I got no
You get
stimulus check.
more stimulus check again?
I have a gift for you. It's in this bag, in this pillowcase that I hid from you.
Don't tell me that you got me what I wanted.
What's that?
My phone?
Better.
Lord, not.
Better.
The second stimulus check then.
All right, honey.
I'm hungry, girl. I gotta eat.
No, you. I have this for you.
Oh, what that?
This is what you have to use to pick up your sandwich and eat.
You got me messed up, son.
Yes, guys. I
You
saw
dead
this.
ass?
I'm dead ass.
Nah.
I saw this.
I can't eat with that. I can't even manage one hand already, but eat with that?
That's okay
Nah,
because
you won.
listen, you eat so fast, right, guys? Even
Nah.
the subscribers say I'm too fast, my youth.
Yo, yeah, I alone do that video, yeah, I know. Girl, if I'm not that, yo, man, I'm that, no.
Yes. But
How the
honey,
hell I'm gonna eat with that though,
because
first lady?
you hold it and then you gotta pick up your sandwich and you eat it. If you can eat one sandwich with this, then you can eat the rest of the other sandwich and
Come
fries.
on, you
without
serious?
this.
And you know I'm hungry now,
Yes.
man?
Honey, you're always hungry. Cause guys, I'm telling you, okay? Richie eats
Girl,
fast.
tripping.
And he always eating my food. So this is the only time I can be able to eat my food in peace.
Oh, okay, so that's okay. So now you want me to use this cloth thing?
Yep, use that cloth thing. Make sure say you have your sauce and everything open up because we're not gonna
So
open
what?
your sauce for you.
If I eat one sandwich with it, you can't eat off everything else.
So you can eat off yours, you see? You see what I'm saying? He can eat off everything else. Again, he trying to eat my sandwich.
I'm not gonna do this to rotted.
You can pick up fries.
Yeah,
you
man.
see?
I give him a dipping sauce. You're free. This
No.
not stop me from eating. Yo,
Yo, we put it here.
you got yo. Firstly, I can't believe you do this to me when I'm hungry and I got a big ass headache, man. Come on, yo. And tomorrow Friday, you know what go down tomorrow? The big
You're
party
lucky
tomorrow, yo.
No, you lucky I didn't do it Friday. Fuck.
Party that cancel. So how you get to use that? Then I have to use this.
Because you're yum too fast. I eat slow.
I'm still gonna try to read it.
If I use this to eat, I'm gonna eat slower. Off.
Guys, family, look at this. How the hell I supposed to do this, see? Look at this. Coming like Edward Scissorhands.
I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich here. Come on.
Yo, you're wicked, you know? Wow. This girl's strict me. This shit hard, dude. Tom, I can't eat my food like this. Watch out. Come on now, Fraser. You come on now. You do me bad, yo. Watch out. I eat that thing get up on the bread up. I can't dip my sauce and get in my.
You're not even starting yum your burger yet.
I'm sorry. Like a mush up, man. Watch me, yo. Come on. Oh, shit.
Did you get it?
Get out of here, man.
You better put it to your face and bite it.
I know. Oh, good one.
Man, I told him I should never told him, right?
Don't tell me on.
Oh, cheers.
Nice, man.
I think in the pan. How is it going?
Hard. Yo. They really ate with this? No way.
I saw this on Steph and Tasha's channel, and I said, this, I have to do it to Richie.
No, ain't no way. I gotta see that. Ain't no way they eat with this. How the hell they? Be your brother alone, man. I get some milk and I got my beef here.
Look at it, yum too fast, my youth.
Yo, right now I have a headache, you know.
This will slow you down.
I'm a job. I can't open more while I pick up biting.
Got it.
Bread. Dear meat. Shit. My french fries, y'all. This is, I can't work like this, son. Real talk.
You doing fine? You doing fine to me?
So if I eat one, I could use my hand. Okay, I'm gonna try my best.
Yeah, try your best. That's all you can do. Yeah, man, honey, you gotta get it. Yeah, man.
I get it right.
You gotta get it. Aye.
I'm done it right on.
Everybody say, go, Richie. Go, Richie.
Like I never make
Honey, you're a good sport.
I'm hungry. Well, good sport. I'm hungry as hell. I gotta eat my food. I gotta try something. You gotta fix that for me. You don't fix it for me?
All right, because I love you and I'm a lady.
Yeah,
I gotta fix it for you. Oh.
You mashed me up today, no?
And be a sauce you like.
Yeah, it's like 2 sauce. Let it go. All right, I got it right. Thank you. I got it. I'm gonna finish that one.
Honey, you're doing better than I thought. No, sir.
Look, guys. Family, really? Y'all knew about this? I know y'all did. Yeah, I know y'all did.
Oh, my.
She messed me up today. I'm thinking you got a second stimulus check in a girl. You know, sir, party tomorrow, you know? All right, I'm doing good, right?
I'm doing good.
How I'm doing, guys? Tell me, family. Sandwich nice till it's actually. Oh. This one I have for that one.
Like one good baby love.
Damn, I'm not wasting nothing. I want to do it just free.
I'm too fast. Your problem. You eat too fast, honey.
I eat too fast, so this is gonna slow me down.
Yeah, man.
How long you had this plan?
The doorbell rang today? I couldn't find it in the store.
Oh my God.
Steph and Tosh, I went to Five Below, Walmart, Target. I could not find it. Thank God for Amazon, because I had to wait for this to come in the mail. So I kept on saying to my husband, "Oh, I'm not hungry yet. I'm not hungry yet," because if I say I'm hungry, it didn't come yet.
And that's why you were saying that, and I'm there freaking starving, and you tell me you're not hungry yet? Come on, now. You have to fix that for me. Can't believe this girl did this to me, yo.
Honey.
On live TV.
We live?
Yeah, live TV on YouTube. All right, man, I'll catch you, man.
Yeah, man, make it help you, make it help you.
I got it.
Get it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
No, I got it.
Push it. Yes!
Get you?
Yeah, man. You brute, yeah?
This girl really do this to me. So it's supposed to be a prank?
No, a challenge.
Oh my God.
A prank challenge.
Oh shit.
That's what Steph and Tosh called it. Well, Tosh.
Yeah.
She did to Steph.
Oh no. Y'all messed me up.
And Steph was mad that she wanted to eat her food.
For real, and you know I love my burger. I don't play with my burger, yo.
I know you love a burger. But listen, I'll fix it for you. But when Tosh told her that she had something for her, Steph started eating so fast because she realized whatever she had planned for me, let me get my food on before she messed me up.
Oh God.
Push it, honey. Yeah, good man.
Oh my God, I'm sweating up.
You know, it's not that much left, honey. He's a good sport, huh, guys?
Bex, my Bex right now, man. You're doing me dirty. God damn it, you tell me, come on.
Sasha, stop.
Sasha had a good surprise for me now?
I'm gonna help him, guys.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna help him. Here you go, honey.
All right, put it right there. Drop it right there.
Right there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes. Yes! A beer bread, now you might try yam and meat separate.
That's what I should have did.
I be giving you too much ideas, and I'm my prank. It's my prank, and I'm giving you all the ideas.
Yeah. This is crazy. Oh my God. I'm a little kid.
This should come in handy though if you try to get something off the floor. You're lucky.
But first, this sandwich is good though.
Thank you, honey.
That's why you were saying, yo, you hungry, but you gotta wait.
Yeah. But
And
honey,
you have me in there frying all this stuff. I'm saying ready now, ready to go eat, you know? Ready to go eat, family.
But
and
hey,
this girl had me.
you're lucky because I could only get one.
I thought you too?
But you only eat with one hand anyway.
Only one hand. Family, I'm almost there. I'm going for it. Damn, she messed me up on my burger day. This is my burger day too.
How you doing so good?
Yo, 1 degree, you're greedy, you know?
Yeah, man. AKA Richie from the Greedy Couple.
AKA Richie Greedy couple right here.
If you hungry and you can yum, doesn't matter. Look at that.
Now can I use my 2 hands?
Yes.
You messed me up.
Honey, you did good though.
I got something for you.
No, don't have nothing for me. I don't like surprises.
I got a surprise for you. Family, you see what she did? I bet you're gonna say in the comment, yeah. Good one, first lady, good one. I see you too fast.
Hey,
I did that, I prepped that thing.
you see yum fast though, you know? I'm not gonna lie.
You still I used the claw.
That's what I'm saying.
Family, it backfired, the challenge backfired on her.
Whatever.
Listen, I used the claw and she's still on one sandwich and then I've done this before with the french fries. That's tough. Wow, first lady, you can't do that. Come on,
Let me have a kiss, my love.
the people are gonna say, yo.
It's a good sport.
No, I thought you done the sandwich, you know?
You eat too slow. That's why I can't do challenges because I eat too slow.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Wow. Well, your problem not, you know? I know my problem not, because I eat my sandwich, you know? I know your problem not.
The sandwich look good enough.
Yeah, man. Rich fillet.
Yeah, we just made some chicken sandwich today.
That's what I'm talking about.
But
Like what? Like what mother like daughter eats it? We gotta get all up in there. I'm getting all up in the sandwich, girl. You know that. Damn, girl. You made me eat. I can't believe that.
I'm shouting out, and I want to see the right fit do this. And I want to see like mother like daughter eats do this.
This one is good.
And don't tell me you can't find it because it's in the store, Five Below. If they have it, if not, order on Amazon.
Yep, I want you to do this. Let me see.
That was fun.
It was fun.
But you know what? The Chick-fil-A sauce make anything taste like Chick-fil-A.
This is what I'm talking about right now. You got me though. I was like, damn, first lady got me something, man.
I felt so bad because
I thought you got me something for real.
because I kept on saying, I'm not that hungry. I was starving, y'all. But thank God for Amazon.
Came in at clutch time.
It came in one day. One day.
I'm still feeling like I'm eating the claw.
How was the burger?
Excellent. On point. On point, first lady.
We're very
If you don't
good.
do something, don't play with my food. You don't play with my food, girl. Do anything else, but don't play with my food. When it's eat time, you know I will get cranky when it's eat time.
But how? You always eating.
Just I told you I was starving, and you tell me hold on, and I put this stuff already waiting for you. Come on now, you can't do that.
Oh, stop it.
Well, let me drop down.
From hunger?
Hungry belly.
You're always hungry. Every hour you're hungry. Every hour. You saw some juicy do right now?
Juicy boy, man, I love for piece of urine.
For real.
And Joy said she want French fries, more French fries too.
What's wrong with Sasha today?
Chick-fil-A.
Sasha, stop it! What's wrong with that dog?
You ain't get no food. You greedy like your owner. And then I'm gonna have sauce, please.
Chick-fil-A?
Oh. Wow. I was saying, how the hell am I gonna eat that shit with that shit? I make it work though.
It's really good too. And I make it worse is you guys know Richie loves sauce. So I saw him putting ketchup, barbecue sauce, mayo. In my head I said, my God, you don't know what's in store for him because that sandwich is gonna be so slippery. And look what happened.
I made my sandwich good too, you know? Protect my sandwich, man.
Yeah, it was really good. The way you put it together.
Yes, it's time to eat.
Can I sauce on it? Sauce.
Chick-fil-A?
How come you don't have no hot sauce?
Forgot about that, man. I was ready to eat, man.
Oh, you're rushing to eat food.
I'm going to leave it here too, you know?
Nothing?
Good.
I hope you guys had a good day today. And don't forget, tomorrow at 6 p.m. party time. And I'm sorry that the video came out late today. I had to wait for this to come in the mail. I had to wait for it to come in the mail, so because we wanted to get the video out to you guys.
Tomorrow, come chill, come dance, come drink. We're gonna be vibing, you know? 6 o'clock. After 6:01, I'm charging.
Stop telling people them that, man, before. So you're... Does that look good? Oh my gosh.
I didn't have my charge. I just live. Sandwich tastes good, huh? It tastes like a Chick-fil-A sandwich, really, no?
I'm telling you. One thing I don't have my here is pickles.
White.
I almost added pickles.
So you like the pickle sandwich you go here?
My favorite one.
Yes, First Lady, damn. I did.
You did, honey.
Catch my money.
I don't know if I can do it tonight.
Yeah, I do it.
I would still been on
Yeah.
half a sandwich.
I'm still done for you.
And he still finished it for me. That makes sense?
Backfired. That's what greedy people do. Greedy people find a way.
They find a way. Honey, you think you could ever go on that show?
What?
Naked and Afraid?
And survive for 21 days? Yeah.
Without no food?
No, as you drop me off, you taking me back. As you drop me to the destination, I'm gonna say, yo, I'm out.
Remember we saw an episode like that? We like to watch Naked and Afraid. And we saw an episode where the guy went through everything, got on the boat, got to the area, and he told the people that, yeah, never mind, I changed my mind, I don't want to do it.
I don't think I can do that because I gotta eat my food. Maybe I can survive in the wild though. Cause I can make my own food and so get, you know what I mean? But
Catch food, catch fish,
but not to
coconut.
put, yeah, but not to put that in my stomach. I can't eat before I go. Hell no.
You can.
I could.
But you can't eat when you get there because, well, I mean, you can eat when you get there, but you gotta find your own food.
I could.
What if you don't find food for 4 days?
I'll find something.
Really, yum. But you know what? One thing I have to say is that Richie knows every fruit tree. Like he can just be like, oh, That's a get-up tree. Oh, that's an apple tree. Oh, that's a pear tree.
I know a lot of fruit trees.
It's a mango tree. I'm like, wow. Oh, those are berries. You can eat those. You can't eat those. So you can survive on that. But Manoa, you love food.
No, me still survive by food then.
No.
I'm good. I'm a good hunter. Damn, girl. Miss me up, you know? So that's mine. Thank you. You was a good sport.
Thank you, honey.
I'm going to eat her sandwich now. You was a good sport for a lady.
You fried that really good though.
Fried good like?
Yeah.
It come like Chick-fil-A. That's how the Chick-fil-A they put it in.
It came out really good.
Rich filet.
Rich filet.
Yeah.
That bread was from Walmart. In the bakery section. It's very good.
Nice bread.
It holds its shape. It doesn't like break apart.
Delicious.
I'm telling you. And that's me excited for tomorrow.
We gonna have a dance class. So ladies, y'all gonna be following First Lady. I'm gonna be the DJ.
Dance class?
You have to teach her.
That's in my oil. I might break a hip.
You gotta teach the lady how to dance. How you you know? I had some good song for her too. You wanna say time for the First Lady? Class start. I'm gonna be drinking my lady drink. I gotta be sober. See what's going on in the dance.
Yeah. You gotta drive home and everything.
I drive home. I don't want no man grab the First Lady hand.
Like you did?
That's why when I go party, I don't drink.
Oh God.
Yeah. Just watch First Lady, man. The man them not play. When you shop, you're free. Grab it onto your hand. Like I did.
Oh man, this is good.
Nice enough?
These are checkered fries. We should use these fries for the challenge.
Shit, we still wouldn't eat the same amount.
I know. Cause these have a lot of seasoning on them, and you think that's a good thing, but when you're eating a lot of it, after a while you're like, okay, that's a lot of seasoning now. You know?
So wait, they can get that claw again if they want to do this thing?
Amazon, just type in toy claw or grab a claw, something like that,
Yeah.
and it pops up. And depending on where you are, it can take a day or two, but Who you rolling your eyes at?
I roll my eyes at you. I'm just trying to enjoy the sandwich.
You want me to use this again?
Don't punish me, teacher.
Keep it up.
I'll be good.
Guys, I'm gonna keep this in here for safekeeping. All right, when he start acting up.
So I thought I could eat four sandwich.
I know he could have ate 4 sandwich. I don't know how you do it. Are you the same weight when I met you?
140 solid.
You know you annoying?
Down. 140, dog. 145. Solid.
Solid. Same.
Solid.
Same.
Gotta keep my figure for First Lady. That's you, First Lady.
Come on.
First
You
Lady.
sexy doing.
So I'm gonna go out sometime. I have something for you, man. Watch. Y'all work feet. Damn. That sandwich was good.
Yeah. It's a good sport, honey.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and try this.
Try it. It's fun.
Stefan Tosh did a good one too.
They did a good. They come with some good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
See you tomorrow at 6. Bye. So much nice, huh? That's a free.
That was it. It was hard for real.
It was hard to eat with the damn thing, girl.